and now there is two. It's 4:30 in the morning. Alright, just gonna do a quick walk through the red one. It's you know, a little bit nicer shape than the blue one. Paint looks really good. This is the only spot right here, some clear coat breaking up. Same spec, VR-II, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive turbo. Interior is pretty clean. Nice door panels, seats are good. Back seats look pretty cool. Overall clean car. Gonna remove these tints because they, well, this one, just this window looks pretty bad. And yeah, I threw the nicer wheels with the winter tires on here for now, just because I was driving this one a little bit. But overall pretty good, huh? This one I'll probably ask a little bit more just because it's a little nicer. I probably will do a full detail on this one. I mean, I'm gonna still clean up the blue one too. But there you have it. A little VR-II in red. Oh, a little Evo peeking out, a little Evo. First mods on the red Pajero Mini. So it's got this cheap little Clarion in here, which is the CZ109. You hit like the littlest crack in the road and it's skipping the CD, and it's, you know, no Bluetooth, it's old. So I figured maybe I'll just upgrade it, get a little better one. But then I thought, like, well, if I just find another Clarion like CZ model, I won't have to do any wiring because they'll use the same harness. So I did some research and I was able to find CZ305, which uses the same harness, new in box on eBay for 60 bucks. Everything's in here not used. Looks good. It even has XM radio hookup and it's Bluetooth. So let's install that.